Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact edges that hold the crease. Enter Edit mode with Tab, switch to Edge Select, and pick the loop or specific edges. Once selected, make sure subdivision surface or bevel modifiers are visible and applied in the stack, because those are what respect crease values. You do this not to guess, but to target the crease where shading or smoothing is affected. Then move straight to clearing the crease value so the shading updates predictably. Once your edges are isolated, clear the crease with Shift+E, type 0, and hit Enter. That sets the edge crease to 0 and removes the weighting that subsurf respects. If you prefer menus, go Edge Crease Clear, or open the End panel, Edge Data, and 0 the crease field. For many edges, you select Similar or grow the selection and then clear in one go. This saves time. Make sure to update the viewport and toggle the subdivision modifier preview to verify the change immediately. To finish, inspect shading. If the crease seems to remain, recalculate normals with Shift+ and so face directions are consistent. Inconsistent normals can mimic creases. Also check for sharp edges, auto smooth, or custom split normals in the Object Data tab. Those can override crease removal. If a bevel modifier used crease or weight, clear vertex/edge weights or edit the modifier. If things go wrong, undo, confirm selection, then reapply the 0 crease. Small missed edges are usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.